everyone, my name is Rachel Carpenter and I teach 6th grade here at Benton Elementary School. I wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about what to expect for the 6th grade year, as well as give you a virtual tour of my classroom. So to start, I just wanted to say I am teaching this is my 15th year teaching here at Benton, and my first year teaching 6th grade. I was 5th grade up until this point. As we start the year, I think things are running very smoothly considering the circumstances we're under. The students seem to like the smaller groups, as do I. I think that they are enjoying being back with their friends. It's wonderful to see them playing outside at recess and really kind of getting to run around with those mask breaks. That being said, masks haven't been a problem. I think they're doing a very good job wearing masks and adhering to all the new expectations, keeping the room sanitized, keeping their distance. Everything is going as smooth as possible. Before I give you a tour, I'd like to talk about some of the things to look forward to in 6th grade. We just started a new shared read called The Young Man and the Sea. We're going to follow that with lots of exciting shared reads throughout the year. In science, we focus on the human body as well as engineering. We do a really fun engineering project building bridges. In social studies, we started with our citizenship unit, and because so many things are digital, we decided to start talking about digital citizenship. Your students may have told you a little bit about that so far. It's going to be a great segue to talk about citizenship in general. We also will talk about U.S. history and what shaped our country. Genius Hour. So one of the cool things in 6th grade is each quarter the students will get to do a inquiry-based project of their choice and really dive deep into something that they'd really like to learn more about. So that's kind of an overview of what to expect this year, as well as kind of a little news flash of how things are going, and I'm really looking forward to a great year together. Let's go on a tour of the room.